Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today that are from DIYChoose. One of them is obviously rather small for a diamond painting, so I'm guessing I got an off canvas item. I often pick a variety of different things. So let's start with some diamond paintings and have a look what took my fancy when I had a browse on the DIYChoose website. Sometimes I follow a theme, sometimes I don't, but they all will have caught my eye as being pretty. This one has a toolkit that doesn't want to come out, but you do get a toolkit with a boat wax and pen. I went for pretty. Gorgeous feathers. So this is quite simply feathers on a nice background, but I often find that artwork that is quite nice to frame and put in, you know, a bedroom or a front room or somewhere in your house, it's the colours that grab you. You know, the art needs to look nice, but I also find that quite often it can be the colours. Sometimes, you know, you're finding a piece to match a room that you've already done. Sometimes you base a room's decoration off the colours of a piece of art, but this caught my eye and I thought that would be really, really nice framed in a room that is either primarily pink, purple, or maybe even the blue, just to bring a little pop of some different colours. It has 22 different colours. It is a round, and the canvas size does come with DMC numbers as well. All symbols are also uppercase letters, and it is 24 by 34. Symbols are nice and clear. Of course, the reflective shine is my lights. And for the colours, let's just shuffle a couple more of them back down. We do have a little bit of 310, and then we have some greys, pinks, purples, blues, a little bit of brown, a little bit of white. So yeah, it's not actually a lot of white that's in the background. That's a little bit of white. The rest are more these pale blue type colours. Pretty. Pastel, but with a pop. That's what I see it as. And there's a little bit of glue that's, I think it got on the top cover, and then I've just gone and got it on my desk. And it's that. Okay, painting number 2. So for this one, did I go for pretty again? Oh, I did. So this is a 30 by 40 as well. I like a good 30 by 40 painting. This one made me think of like a stairway to heaven. I can't remember if that's what it was called, but that's definitely what it looks like to me. It has 22 colours. It does have DMC numbers, and all the symbols are in capital letters. It's got what looks like the sun ray up in the clouds, but you can see the symbols there, really clear. And then we do have some green and some flowers down here on Earth. You do get a toolkit. And then colours wise, you do get some white, and then we do also have quite a bit of peachy colour, peachy tone, and then we do have some other colours, of course. We've got some blue, burgundy, pinks, greens, more peachy. More of a peachy pink than a pink pink. We've got browns, greens, oranges, nice red. Got that nice deep red up the top. And then we've got some greens, a little bit of blue. Nice little selection of colours there. Let me get those to fold back up. Okay, I don't think it's quite exactly how it was, but it's definitely enough that it'll fit. So yeah, second painting is Stairway to Heaven. And then, I can't remember what this is, but as I say, I'm pretty sure this is an off the canvas. If not, it's a very, very small diamond painting. Ah, yes, I remember what these are. I thought these were so much fun. So you do get a toolkit, Boatwax pen. Now, I actually have, minus the owl, it may end up having an owl, but I have these hooks. If we take off the owl, I have these hooks in quite a few different places in this craft room. They are used to hang up my diamond paintings on my hooks, on my trouser hangers. So I use those on my wall. It's also, I have a clear one in front of me that is holding my diamond painting logbook bag. So that hooks on there and that hooks on my wall. They're very good. I mean, if they are, you know, the same adhesive, they are extremely good at sticking. But I thought these were so much fun because these are coloured ones that are owls. And who doesn't like a bit of fun? So yeah, I may change up a couple in my craft room that can cope with having an owl above them, because why not? Or they would potentially be very good in a kid's room. These little hooks are flexible. In fact, I have used one this way up. So this part is actually stuck to my ceiling. And I have a hanging plant hanging down from it in my kitchen. So I have used these hooks without the owls quite a few times. So as soon as I saw them with owls, I was like, that looks like so much fun. Right, I'm not going to fight with those. I was trying to get them back in the packets, but it's not going to work. So to show you the diamonds, they do all look to be rhinestones, but we do have quite a few different colours, of course, because there's 6 hooks that are all slightly different colour-wise. We've got some purples. They are all numbered different though. Got some blues, pinks and greens, but they are all numbered like up to 19. So this one has got some number 5 and 6, but then has some number 14, 15, 16, which is sort of the pinky theme. But then this one has 13, 17 and 18. So there is a little bit of a crossover. There's some 13 on this one as well. But it is also, you know, predominantly one colour on each little hook. But how sweet are those? So yeah, I completely forgot about those. But hey, it's making me smile. So yeah, these are the items today from DIYChoose. Do let me know what your thoughts are. Do you think you'd have some quirky little owl hooks? I think a craft room's the perfect place for a hook like that that will make you smile. I'm not sure if I can get my other ones off the wall though. That's the only thing. But if I need any more hooks, then I'll be sure to line some little owls up. These might work in a school actually, like a little coat peg or a little lunch bag peg. Anyway, I digress. I will pop links down below to all of these, of course, so that you can check them out for yourselves, or you can just go and have a browse. But before you go clicking on links, don't forget to hit subscribe and like, because they always help. Thank you to DIYChoose for sending me these goodies, and thank you to all of you for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.